at
Marte
Bush. She was picked by our gallant troops, and she was brought here. She's dumb. She cannot hear, and there's nobody to take good care of her. As you can see, she's blind. As you can see, so we are planning to take her to hospital for further treatment. Nobody to take good care of her. There's no food, no anything. As you can see her situation here. This is where Yafane is sitting down. This is where she is. So we'll take her to the hospital to check her condition. She cannot speak, so she was just picked in the bush. She can't even tell where she's from. So now we're after her health. So we're going to take her to the hospital. We'll keep you posted on all we do to her. Thank you.